Generation of stereocenter. When aldehydes or unsymmetric ketones react with nucleophile, a chiral center will be generated. Such reactions are called asymmetric synthesis, and the product formed always will be a racemic mixture. I am repeating again, nucleophilic addition reactions of aldehydes and unsymmetric ketones. What are unsymmetric ketones? The two alkyl groups should be different there. Undergo nucleophilic addition reaction resulting in the formation of a chiral center. So the product formed will always be a racemic mixture. Now I'll take an aldehyde and explain the reaction with sodium bisulfite. So what happens here? I'll take one aldehyde, reacts with sodium bisulfite. So reaction with sodium bisulfite is very important reaction. So I am taking this as an example here. So what is happening here? Aldehydes and ketones react with sodium bisulfite. Which ketones react? Methyl ketones, aliphatic methyl ketones. Most of the aldehydes and aliphatic methyl ketones which are not sterically hindered react with sodium bisulfite solution to form an additional product. I am repeating again, aldehydes and aliphatic methyl ketones which are not sterically hindered, when treated with saturated solution of sodium bisulfate, add a molecule of sodium bisulfite to form bisulfite addition product. So now let us see the reaction here. So first I am taking an aldehyde. I'll explain with ketone also. Aldehyde reacts with sodium bisulfate. So what will I get? RCH. How sodium bisulfate dissociates? Na plus and HSO3 minus. So here positively charged carbon atom will react with HSO3 minus. HSO3 minus is the nucleophile. So positively charged carbon atom will react with HSO3 minus and Na plus attacks oxygen. So I'll get this as the first product. So in this product again proton transfer takes place. Proton transfer. So what is the final product obtained here? RCH OH SO3 Na. This is the final product. Sodium bisulfite addition product or sodium bisulfite adduct. Okay, what is the driving force for the proton transfer from 1 to 2? So the proton in the product 1 is transferred to give another product to 2. What is the driving force? Why proton should get transferred? Here you are getting more stable sulfite ion. Sulfite ion is stabilized by resonance. So proton will get transferred from sulfite ion to oxygen, resulting in the formation of a more stable final product, sodium bisulfite addition product. So this is the reaction of aldehyde with sodium bisulfite. Even benzaldehyde forms an additional product with sodium bisulfite. So all aldehydes react with sodium bisulfite to form an additional product. So if I see here, this carbon is a chiral carbon atom. There are 4 different groups attached to this carbon atom. So the product formed here is a racemic mixture. Now let us take one more example of unsymmetric ketone. What is unsymmetric ketone? 2 different alkyl groups should be attached to the carbon atom. 2 different alkyl groups attached to carbon atom. Now reacts with sodium bisulfite. Now what I told you? Aliphatic methyl ketones which are not sterically hindered only react with sodium bisulfite. If I take acetophenone will not react with sodium bisulfite. Sodium bisulfite adduct will not be formed from acetophenone. Aliphatic methyl ketones which are not sterically hindered only will react with sodium bisulfite. So what will I get here? CH3C C2H5 ONA and SO3H. Again, let us see. Oxygen gets positive charge. Oxygen gets negative charge. Carbon gets positive charge. NaHSO3 dissociates as Na plus and HSO3 minus. This HSO3 minus attacks the positively charged carbon atom. So I'll get a product like this. But this undergoes in this compound, proton transfer takes place to form a more stable final product. So what will I get here? CH3, C, OH, SO3, Na and C2H5. So here also if you see, this is a chiral center. So the product formed is a racemic mixture. Okay, what is the driving force for the proton transfer here? The more stabilized product, means resonance stabilization of sulfate ion is the driving force for proton transfer. So here proton transfer takes place. Aliphatic methyl ketones which are not sterically hindered